Hello friends, this video is about short description of various concepts associated with the farm, and it includes size of farm and essentials in choosing farm and factors affecting size of farm, which are the topics of our course farm management and production economics. Let us start with the meaning of farm. As we discussed in earlier videos, farm means a piece of land where crops and livestock enterprises are taken up under a common management and has specific boundaries. In the theory of farm management science, another one important term associated with the farm, that is optimum size of farm. And an optimum size of farm is one that generates income enough to meet the consumption requirement of farm family, as well as it brings profit to the farm business. Then let me explain essentials in choosing a farm or selecting a farm, or we can say factors should be considered while selecting a farm, and it includes physical factors, economic factors, and social factors. And in physical factors, climate, rainfall, topography, soil, water supply, and drainage, and that these physical factors should be considered while selecting a farm. Then, in economic factors, relative profitability, availability of funds, market and transport facilities, presence of cooperative and other organization, and local taxes. And social factors includes accessibility to school and hospitals, types of neighbors and community, helpfulness and comfort. All these factors are the essentials in selecting a farm, or we can say these factors should be considered while in selecting a particular farm for the further economic activity. Then let me explain another important concept, that is size of farm. Basically, the term size of farm is most frequently understood or considered as a physical area, and it may be measured in hectares or acres, but alone area or alone physical area is an inadequate measure of farm. Basically, the term size of farm business is used to designate the combined inputs of land, labors, and capital, and the quantities of these inputs used in particular farm business are expressed in the form of inventory value or as an annual inputs value, including interest and depreciation on capital. As I said earlier, alone physical area is an inadequate measure of farm or size of farm. Basically, size of farm can be measured in terms of value of production in that particular farm and volume of production in any of that particular farm. It means size of farm business is considered as a combined use of inputs. It includes land, labors, and capital, and also value of production and volume of production in that particular farm. Then let me explain some factors affecting size of farm. In that, first, density of population and availability of cultivable land. Basically, in a country, some areas are densely populated and some areas are least populated. In densely populated areas, there is no scope for extension of farm size, whereas in the least populated areas, there is a possibility of increasing the farm size with the availability of resources. This indicates this particular point may influence the size of farm. Then next one, financial resources are also responsible for affecting the size of farm. Then climate, then topography in that particular region. Basically, in hilly areas, or we can say if there is an undulating land, their size of farm is very less, whereas in plain areas there is size of farm is more, or we can say there is an possibility of extension of size of farm in that particular area. Then next point, nature of crops grown, nature of sources of irrigation that also influence the size of farm. Then nature of cultivation, then managerial capacity, then law of inheritance, and then state laws that are also influence the size of farm in that particular area. So this is all about size of farm and essentials in selecting a farm and factors affecting the size of farm. Thank you.